another banger.
C Green Media presents Laugh Sopa with Ekene Smith. Laugh Sopa with Ekene Smith. Ekene Smith. Ekene Smith.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Ekene Smith! And I'm gonna let that thing out. Another day satisfied. Wanna shout more now? You don't do. Because some people go say this boy they show himself. Because then they do the show now, they just say oh they shout anyhow. Abi? Anyway, I'm so excited to be here today. Thank you all for coming to support me. For guys in our free show. A round of applause for anybody that's come out here and support me. I want to be a small thing. And they tell her now. Alright, but I want you to look at your neighbor. Look at your neighbor. Look at the person sitting close to you. Welcome somebody. Welcome somebody. Say neighbor. Say neighbor. Hold the hand of somebody. I believe so much in prophecy. I may not be a man of God, but I believe so much in prophecy. When you pray for people, it works. Hold the hands of somebody. Daddy, hold the hands of somebody. Say neighbor. Say neighbor. If the hand's strong, say this is your strong hand. If the hand's soft, say this is your soft hand. Say from today. Now so money you will take that hand, they can't. Look at your neighbor again, say neighbor. Look the person eyeball to eyeball, no fear. This is the house of God. Look the person eyeball to eyeball, say neighbor. If the person get big head, say this is your big head. If the head small, say this is your small head. Say after this program tonight, now so good place that head go they carry you to go. Oh yeah, look at your neighbor again, say neighbor. Look the person phone. If the phone fine, say neighbor, this is your fine phone. If the phone no fine, say neighbor, this is your phone. Or you arrest the person phone up. No fear. Collect your neighbor phone. No fear. This is the house of God. This is the house of God. Nobody will steal anybody's phone in this. In case you don't know, this is Glory Christian Ministries. We don't have thief here. Raise your neighbor phone. Say neighbor. Say this is your phone. Say this is your phone. If the phone is fine, say this is your fine phone. If the phone no fine, say this is your phone. Say that's also destiny helpers going to call you through that phone. Look the phone, raise it up and say neighbor. Say neighbor. Say after this program tonight, the phone will become my own. Oh boy. My brothers, I been gonna return on a neighbor phone and then before they think cause problem. But seriously, somebody was asking me as I was coming in now, he said, Ekene Smith, why did you name this your show Laugh Supper? So I was like, actually named the show Laugh Supper because I was like in remembrance of the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ. I mean, want to clap. You know, easy. You understand? That is why I named the show Laugh Supper. And the person goes, so why you call but disciples? I said, no, the people will come. Now they be the disciples. He goes, so inside the people will come now. Who will betray you? I said, I don't get any betrayer. He goes, so after the show now, which cross you won't carry? I said, my brother, you know, say na free show. After the show, everybody will go to their house. People who are going go still they wait for me for bus stop. Now that won't be my cross. I mean, clap for all the mothers here, all the role mothers. I'm gonna clap for mothers. Not the joke. Seriously, and I tell people say, I appreciate mothers so much because for my house will be 12. And inside that 12, I only me go private school. No joke. The remaining people in a public school. I say something, my brother can't pass to go federal university. My papa say no. You started with public primary school, you must finish with state university. It was so bad. Something my mama, what you make my mama say no, this boy, you know, go public school. Was when my mother take me to Mongo register me for one public school where my brother graduates. As we enter the class, he come to say that they ask them questions and answers. Now the teacher look one of the students, they say, you stand up. Make a sentence with billion. Now the guy look the uncle, he say, uncle, I get 30 billion for my account, you. Now the teacher say, are you mad? Get that from here. Now my mama look me. He say, you know go come this. As we talk, now they look one girl for back, say, you stand up. Now the girl stand up. Now the teacher say, which mountain is the highest mountain in the world? Now the girl look the uncle, he say, uncle, mountain of fire. Or when I'm talking about my mama say, come, where they go? I go use anything to make sure say you go private. I be clap for the mothers once again. Seriously. And I tell people say, gone are those days now when you go see children, you go ask them, say, what do you want to eat? You go, yeah, begin, they tell you, say, I don't have appetite. You don't dare talk that kind of thing for my house. With the whole our appetite, they sleep. Not jokes. The only time for my house where you dey chop the whole classes of food now when you sick. If you not sick, when you sick, you go chop both protein, carbohydrates, everything. But if you not sick, nothing for you. As I don't notice, that's what the thing be. Now so one day I don't know what I go chop. I can't sick. Better sickness. So you say they rush people hospital. As they rush me enter the hospital like this, and so they give me 3 per day. They do like this. And so my mama say, Kene, I beg you, no go kill me. No die, my pikin. Wait till you go chop. I say, mommy, I don't get any appetite. He said, no, if I talk that thing, you won't kill me. You don't get waiting. Appetite. Say, no. You go drink milk. I say, mommy, I don't get appetite. You go drink, you go chop fried rice and chicken. I say, mommy, I don't get that. You go drink Bonvita. I say, mommy, I don't get that. Mama say, I know what I go do. I go buy everything for you. Come, you must wear. And so my mama come out. Then my mama look my elder brother. Emeka, take care of your younger brother. As my mama
Laugh Sopa with Ekene Smith.
Take care of your younger brother. As my mama come out, then my brother look me, bad guy. You think say now only you want to enjoy all these things. Where mommy they buy, so now look my brother. He say you better do well, though. He say you well. Don't worry, you don't do like say you know well I'll be. I'm also seek my own too. I'm actually cracking fresh jokes. And I remember the last election that was held in Nigeria. There was something that tripped me so much about the last election, Daddy. That election was the gubernatorial election. I said, you get one candidate. You get one candidate for that election. We say, if you don't know that candidate, you know they stay Lagos. Who will be the person name? Babajide Sanwo-Olu. I say, I shocked when I enter one church, go perform. I see, vote for Babajide Sanwo-Olu poster. It was that bad. I said something to the extent where we say, you feel use the book, describe person where they come from east, come find you for Lagos. One of my younger cousin he was coming to see me from Delta State. Now, Babajide Sanwo-Olu poster, now I take, describe where I did for Odolowu here for the guy. And the guy finally come. I say, my brother, as you enter Beggar, as you land for Beggar, come down from the bus. As you come down from the bus, you go see one place where they write, welcome to Lagos. As you see that place where they write, welcome to Lagos, just look by your left. You go see, vote for Babajide Sanwo-Olu poster, in wear suit. From that place where he wear suit, Just enter bus. Say you dey go Oshodi. As you reach Oshodi, just come down from the bus. Look up, you will see one big board. For there, they write another vote for Babajide Sanwo-Olu. For there, Inye native. From that place now, where Inye native, just enter another bus. Say you dey go Mile 2, but you no go reach Mile 2. Then they say you won't stop for Odolowu bus stop. As you come down from the bus for Odolowu bus stop, just look by your side, you will see Glory Christian Ministries. Then look your left, you go come see another big board. Vote for Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Irie Igbo people clothes. Comedy runs in the blood. My other brother is also a comedian. He was supposed to be here, but due to one or two reasons in London with his family, a big round of applause. He was one of the people that actually inspired me as a comedian. A big round of applause for Emeka Smith. Baba, I see you. And also, in case you don't know, my mom is actually here. My mom, the person with me, the two man don't try for me so much. And I thank God today, I'm making her proud. A big round of applause for my mom. She's here. A big round of applause. A big round of applause. But I don't understand the story. But I don't understand the story. Also, a big round of applause to my sister. My only sister. My only sister. A big round of applause to her. She's here with her kids. She's here with her kids. And also, there's somebody here that at a point in my life, there was like, I was losing balance. After graduating from school, no work, I graduated from Delta State University, I served, I was struggling with comedy, it was like it wasn't working. I looked for work, I did not see work. I was confused, I was at a state of depression. Then I met this person. He gave me hope. Ladies and gentlemen, I call him my boss. I never knew he was going to come and show me love today, but he's here with his lovely wife. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. George Emetuche. He is the CEO of the Selling Champion, the #1 youth motivational speakers in Nigeria. Boss, thank you so much for coming. I know he will still come to say one or two things, but seriously, I'm angry. At the first, want to ask me why? Nigerian celebrities, they make me the first. I need water. Nigerian celebrities. When I say this work, no easy. Tomorrow, one person will go send you account number, Ekene, hungry one kill me. Nigeria, you don't do this your work self when you do now. Tomorrow you come meet me, say my balance. I don't get anything to give you. The Lord is your strength and your muscle.
Laugh Sopa with Ekene Smith.
As I talk, Nigerian celebrities, they make me the best. Ask me why. Nigerian celebrities are one people that if you follow them online, they don't like follow you back. Except say they don't get a lot of followers before they will follow you. But there's one celebrity in the world that gave his life for us to be alive today. And that is who? Jesus. Jesus is the only celebrity when you go follow, whether you get subscription or you don't get subscription, Jesus will follow you back. Now lie and lie. I will put a clap for Jesus. I know why I say this thing. Because if you go to statistics, I did my statistics, and that is why I'm coming here to say this. If you go with statistics, Frank Edward, well, I know Frank Edward, Frank Edward has 500,000 followers on Instagram. Frank Edward, they only follow 1,200 inside 500,000. I don't have a problem with Frank Edward. At least he follow people. Una no Sinach again. Una no Sinach. Sinach has 800,000 followers on Instagram. Sinach they follow only 700. I don't have a problem with Sinach. She follow people, Abi, but there is one celebrity I have problem with. And if I see that celebrity, I go fight her. Mona ask me who be that celebrity. Timaya. Timaya has 1.7 million followers. Timaya no dey follow anybody. Timaya, are you bigger than God? Which kind of rubbish with this? I bet people will know Timaya, but I don't tell them. The guy know they fight, then this that joke. And so we take a hustle. Before Timaya go call me for morning, he can Smith and then your gates. No jokes. And I tell people, churches in Lagos are different from the churches in other states. I went to Delta State recently to MC a wedding in Delta State. After the wedding, it was on Saturday. The next day was Sunday. I was supposed to come back to Lagos, but they cancelled the flight. So I was now supposed to come back on Monday. I now said, I will not be in Delta State without attending church. I now walked into a church in Delta State. As I entered the church, my pastor raised prayer point. Say neighbor, look at your neighbor and tell your neighbor what happened to you will happen to me. Don't be joking. That's what everybody for church. Start to look at neighbor. Neighbor, sister, what happened to you will happen to me. Mommy, what happened to you will happen to me. Daddy, what happened to you will happen to me. As I don't look my neighbor, they bandage in head, they bandage in neck, they bandage in belly, bandage be like native when the guy there called church. That's why I turn my face with aggression. I pastor raised the same prayer point with annoyance. Look at that neighbor and say, neighbor, what happened to you will happen to me. As I don't look the neighbor, now the man look me. He said, you don't go tell me what the pastor said when you tell me. Now I look the guy and say, neighbor, what happened to you will happen to you again and again. Don't remember what happened to you. That's why I won't come out for church. Ladies and gentlemen, if I'm doing well, clap for me.
Another banger.
C Green Media presents Laugh Sopa with Ekene Smith. Laugh Sopa with Ekene Smith.